Toxapex, the Brutal Star Pokemon. A poison and water type. To survive the cold, freezing oceans of Galar, this Pokemon forms a dome with its legs enclosing its body so it can capture its own heat. With the poison sac that it has, is a poison so toxic that Pokemon as large as Wailord will continue to suffer for 3 days after taking the first effect. Getting started by drawing Toxapex. Getting started by drawing Toxapex. We start by drawing the needles on these parts here. One thing about Toxapex, the reason why these flaps on his these parts are widespread is for the reason that is also why that we have the capability of seeing the true face of Toxapex himself. Yeah. Under all those spines, that is what Toxapex really looks like. One more thing about this guy. Toxapex is Marini's evolved form. It has a signature move known as Baneful Bunker. It also knows the recent Pokemon attack known as Liquidation. Good thing for him. Now we just have to sketch out these marks here. There we are. These are the arms that it comes with. After standing on the front paws on its back, above its skull, it can form a actual brutal star and shoot out a signature move known as toxic spikes, otherwise known as a poison type attack. I feel like these things should be bigger. This thing should be longer. To be honest, I don't know how long this thing is. But the point is, I got it finished. This might be my last one before I had to head back. We're going to the circuits tonight. And well, that is how you draw toxapex. But I prefer naming him toxapex. Just for reasons. I feel like that the X is silent, and it's to be known as toxapex. Yeah, I don't know why they included that letter into the name. Even I want to know that. The creators are so wired. Anyway, that's how you draw toxapex. That's all for now. Please like, rock, and subscribe, and let me know what new Pokemon you want me to draw next. Good night!